All right, let's talk about building better habits. Here's how tech can actually supercharge your goals.
So, why are new habits so tough to stick with? You know the feeling, right? Turns out it's not about willpower, it's really about the method you're using. And this is where tech comes in. Think of it like a personal coach in your pocket. So, let's break down 7 habits you can build with some of today's smartest tools. First up, AI journaling. It helps you find patterns in your thoughts and moods. Pretty cool. Next, AI can personalize your meditation, adapting sessions to help you really find your focus. Want to learn a language? AI tailors lessons right to your progress so you learn faster. Then there's AI fitness coaching. You get real-time feedback to optimize every single workout. You can also absorb way more knowledge with AI summaries that give you key book insights. And for better rest, wearables analyze your sleep data to give you personalized advice. Finally, you can set smarter goals. AI helps predict what's achievable so you stay motivated. Okay, but let's be real. Do these high-tech tools actually make a difference long-term? Well, the data is actually pretty clear on this. Let's look at the numbers. It's a big deal. Habits backed by tech are a full 40% more likely to stick.
And you can see that difference right here. The tech-assisted methods just have a clear edge.
But look, beyond all the apps and gadgets, there's one golden rule for making this work. Just remember this. It's all about consistency. Little steps every day are what really count. So now it's over to you. Which one of these habits are you going to try first?